Discover the unknown corners of the Algarve, beginning with Lollet, with its beautiful castle and its regional handicrafts. And try the regional specialities such as sweets made from almonds and carob fruit. Go up into the hills and discover villages such as Querença, Salir or Alt. Finish with a visit to the mud and sandstone castle of Padern. And the beautiful church of Amancil, closer to the coast.